Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI MatePad 10.4, and today I'll show you how to add an account to your device. Now normally this would be reserved for Google accounts, but this is HUAWEI, so we don't really have the Google account like you normally are used to. So anyway, from here we can go into the settings, scroll down to users and accounts, select add account, and from here we can select email, provider email. Now I'm gonna be trying out a Google account anyway because I actually don't have any kind of account to try. See, you'll be redirected to the Google authorization page. Continue, and let's just try that again. Select next, and I'm gonna put in a password for it. Let's select this wrong password. Save, allow, and there we go. So we should have an account added now. So anyway, that is how you would add your Google account here. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.